Let's make a snack with some Aloha Shoyu Poke Sauce. It's so easy. All you do is literally dump it in the bowl, just like that. Okay, maybe not dump. Pour it in there. I'm using some salmon chunks right here, cubed salmon that I had, and I'm going to make myself a snack. Once you feel comfortable that all of the salmon is covered, you can add in whatever you want. I know people like to use white onions with the raw fish, but I like red onions. For me, I like it a little bit spicier. I'm gonna add some green onions in there because why not? I had some in the fridge, might as well use them up so I'm not wasting them. Go ahead and just mix it up there, make sure that everything is combined. That's enough for me right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put some rice on a plate. This is kind of like an inside out bowl. I just didn't want to make a bowl. I wanted to do something different. So I'm gonna put some rice on the plate right there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add all my stuff right on top of it. First up, sprinkle some furikake on there. I love this stuff. I just put it on anytime I have rice. I always have this in the house. You should too. You can find it at pretty much any grocery store. And you know, if I'm having rice with furikake on it, I'm gonna have some classic Aloha Shoyu right there. Just some on there because I don't want to take away from the salmon. I don't want to take away the flavor too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some on. Some people try to be nice and neat. This is as neat as it's gonna be for me because you know what? I'm hungry. I'm just gonna dump it right on there. Pick up that little scoop right there. There you go. Yeah, this is for the video, but normally I probably wouldn't pick that up right there. And of course, you gotta have the avocado. Put a couple slices right there. You might, if you want to cube them up, cube them up. For me, I don't mind the slices like that. Let's see, maybe if I build it like that, it'll hold all the rice and salmon in there without falling out. I had some leftover green onion. Let's go ahead and make it nice and pretty for the video. Sprinkle it right on top right there. Of course, you know, I gotta have the kimchi. I eat kimchi with just about anything. And you know what? The flavors of the kimchi with the salmon and the poke sauce, perfect complement. I'm gonna kick it up even more with some sriracha mayo. Totally up to you. I like mine spicy. That's why I always have this in the house. There you go. Easy ingredients, and we're ready to eat. You can go ahead and eat it just like that. I had some extra nori, and I hate wasting it. If you guys know, if you keep that in your cabinet for too long, it gets kind of oily. I don't want to waste, so I'm going to go ahead and just make a couple of little mini sushi rolls, or I'm not sure if there's an official name for this. I'm just piling it on right there. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'm good to go. Before I get to that though, I'm going to add even more spice. There's some sriracha right there that I'm putting on because you know I like it spicy. Now, that's good enough for me. I'm ready to eat. Let me know your thoughts. Comment below.